Hi friends, in this video we will see about the private constructors. Nothing but what we can say is singleton pattern. So in the object oriented programming, we have one pattern that is called as singleton pattern. That singleton pattern is nothing but what we can say is, for a class there should be only one instance need to be created. That means if you want to create an instance for that class, we should we we should provide an option that multiple instances should not be created, only one instance should be created. If you want to try that create an instance for the class, the old instance what it has created as that has to be sent to that one. So that means for every class, for class it should have only one instance. That is nothing but the singleton pattern. So now in the TypeScript, in this TypeScript we can achieve that singleton pattern using very easily in the TypeScript. So let's see with a simple example how we can do the singleton pattern and with that one. Okay, let's see the simple example. Here I have a department class. Okay, I have an HR department and also I have an IT department and accounting department. For example, think I have multiple HR departments, multiple IT departments. Let's think that you have multiple IT departments and multiple HR. I have only one accounting department in my company. So that means I need to create only one instance for this one. So I cannot create. So there should not we should not provide any option for this one to create an instance for this one. Okay, you should have only one instance. For example, IT department we have two or three department, more than one department is there IT department. So we can create a multiple instances. So we can leave it like this. Accounting department we have only one accounting department in our company. So that means only one instance should be there for that accounting department. How we can how we can allow that, how we can not allow this one to create only one instance. So we can create an instance by creating new accounting department like that, right? Directly we can create using new accounting department like that we can create. Now we should provide somehow an option that the outside user should not create an instance for this account department. How we can provide an option that not to create an instance for this one? So just making this constructor as a private. If I make this constructor as a private, outside people cannot access this constructor. That means they cannot create an object for this constructor. Now what I will try to do is, so if I come down, you will be able to see an error for this one. Okay, new accounting department, I am not able to create a instance for the accounting department. Why? Constructor of class is private and it will be accessible only in the class. So that means I cannot create the instance for this accounting department. Now what I can do is, I can access this constructor inside this class. Okay, now with you using this static properties, static methods and all those things, we can create a instance for this one. So how we can create a method instances? So now I can create a static method. Static method we can access it outside. Why? Because there is no need for constructor this one. So we cannot static methods can be called without creating an object, right? So we can use static get instance. Okay, if you want to get the instance for this accounting department, you need to call the static method. Okay, this name is up to you. Whatever the name you want to create, get object or get anything you can use. Get instance. So what I will try to do is, I will create a static property, something like I will keep it this one also as a private, so that this one will not be accessed anywhere. So what I can do is instance. I can create instance. Which instance it is? It's instance of accounting. So the same class instance. So the instance, whatever the instance will be there, it will be there in this property. Now in the get instance, I will check that if I can use directly, this is a static property, right? We can use directly this dot instance. Yeah, we can use like this dot instance also. So in the previous video I have told that this cannot be, maybe I told, I think, I don't know, I didn't remember exactly. In the static we cannot call this, I told you, right? We can call the this, but this doesn't refer to describe or these things, it will not refer. It will refer only to the class name only. So you calling accounting department like this or calling like this also is one and the same. So this doesn't refer to the instancing. This refers to the class name. So this instance is also a static property. You can use this dot instance. You cannot call this dot most recent report. Okay, this will raise an error. So only the static methods or static properties you can call in the static method using the this. Okay, or otherwise if you want to call, you can call with the accounting department also. Okay, now I can use this accounting. If accounting department dot instance is there, if it is there, return just that instance. Okay, this also you can use, I told you, right? So whether both are correct only. So you can return this dot instance. If instance is not present, then what I need to do, I need to create an instance. Sorry, this dot instance is equal to, I will create a new accounting. Okay, new accounting, I am creating an object. I can call the constructor inside this class. Why? Because this is a private property. I can use this, I can call the private method, I can call this method inside this get instance method. Why? Because this method is also inside the class only. Now I will pass the d2 and I will pass the empty array. So this is the requirement, right? I can return this instance. Okay, so in this way we can create an instance. Sorry, this dot instance we can. In this way we can create an instance. So whenever you want to get an instance for this accountant department, anyway you will be getting only one instance which is created, which is that is nothing but d2 with an empty reports. You will get only that instance. Now here, how to create an instance here? I can remove this one. If I want instance of this accounting department, I can directly call accounting department dot get instance. I can call this one. So there is no need to use the d2 and all those things. There is no need to pass the parameters. Why? Because you'll be having only one instance. You can directly initialize there by passing again this id here. So anyway, you will be not passing other than this d2. You will not passing it. Why? Because you will be having only one instance for this one with an id of d2. So now I can also create another one accounting 2. Again I can get the instance. So I am having two variables with the two instances. But here practically saying that these two instances are not the different ones. These are one and the same only. Why? Because these both instances will get the same instance. So for example, if I try to print console.log accounting and also accounting 2, if I try to print accounting and accounting 2, so what could be the output? We will see. If we try to see the output here, see the whatever the data we are having the same data. If you see here something Leela last record and all those things, we are having the same data. You are having the same data. Okay, so this is how we can create a singleton design pattern. This is nothing but one type of design patterns. All the time you will be not using this singleton pattern. You will be using in rare cases this type of pattern. But what we can say is, because of this private and static methods which is supported in the TypeScript, because of that one we can able to implement this singleton design pattern very easily. So this is how we can create what we can say single instance for a class using this static property or private constructors. Okay, so this is the singleton and the private constructor concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.